Justin McKeegan is 21 years old and he lives in Granville, New York. He is one out of 7 siblings and he currently lives home with his parents and his brother. He has been working for the Price Chopper Granville maintenance team since October of 2011. His major is social studies because he wanted to become a U.S. history teacher like his role model, his 11th grade history teacher. His human research manager from his current job advised him that being a U.S. history teacher is not a great career path just because there's not too many job openings in that field. So Justin has decided to switch his major to information technology, respectively software developing. He figured might as well do something that he enjoys. He's going to create his own video game. Justin likes to play video games, he likes to do video editing, photo editing, pretty much anything that has to do with these days technology. He also likes to watch professional wrestling on TV and he enjoys listening to rock music. When he was younger, he used to be fascinated with dinosaurs and he wanted to become a paleontologist. One of the political issues that concerns Justin these days is the ISIS group from the Middle East that is threatening United States. An economical issue that concerns Justin is the college tuition. He feels that a lot of students come out of college with a big amount of debt. One of the educational issues that concerns Justin is religion in school. He's an atheist and he doesn't feel that children should be forced into taking religion in school. One of the health issues that concerns Justin is the depression. A lot of people in his hometown have been suffering from depression and he feels that they should be able to get some help. Justin has never been taking a public speaking class before, but he is used to videotaping himself while he posts comments on YouTube regarding his video games that he plays. That is actually one of the reasons why Justin is taking this class. He would like to stumble less and be more sure of himself when he speaks in front of an audience.